Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to transfer your League of Legends settings. So in League of Legends, if you want to transfer your settings to an alternative account, meaning you want to keep the settings for same in all of the accounts you play, it is very simple. All you need to do is head to the search panel. From here, search for League of Legends and click on Open File Location. After that, right click on the League of Legends shortcut and click on Open File Location again. From here, head back to Riot Games, go to League of Legends, then head to the config section. From here, you have to select game.cfg, right click, go to properties. From here, set it to a read-only mode, then hit apply and OK. You'll also have to do the same for persistent settings.json, so right click on it, go to properties, select read only, click apply and OK. Now your settings will be transferred to all the accounts that you play on this device and it will be same across the board.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.